Short. James Ford. Service area number 08. Nice receive by number 4. Number 4 pass. Nice play. Ang ganda ng connection ni number 22 at ni number 4. And service area number 8, J-Lo. Service error. Score. Oh, wow. Iba talaga ang ganaw ng number 22. The former best receiver. Number 22 is Will. Nice receiver number 3. To J-Lo. Mini. Number 4 in approach. Pass by number 4. RM. Number 22, Maldonado, pero delicado. Nice receive by number 3. Short. Score 1-4 in favor of Team Waters. Number 22. Nice receive by Maruta. Maruta over the ball. Number 4 again. Inside. Score 1-5. And service number 22 with a spike. Service ace by number 22 is Spiritu. Number 22 again on service area. Service again by number 22. Salah Team Batangas. 22. Number 22 again, hindi na niya pinalo. Pero services pa rin. Service again, pinapakyaw na ang service area. Number 22. Nice receive, pipila na ba ang momentum ni number 22? Napipila na. On service area, Miss Maruta. Nice service, nice receive by number 8. To number 28, number 14 over the ball. To number 3, J-Lo again. Number 28, set. Number 4, pass. Receive by number 3. To number 20, binawian na natin ini. Number 28. Score 3-9 in favor of Team Waters. Number 15 in service area, Miss Maruta. Receive by Maldonado. To number 28, Mini. Number 4, Barsagan. Receive by Maruta. To J-Lo. Ibigyan pa ng isa pa. Nabitin. Score 4-9. For the third time, number 15 on service area, Miss Maruta. Nice receive by number 14 to number 30 behind the back. Receive again by Calvado. By number 22. No facial reaction by number 1. service area, number 4, RM. Mukhang siya ang pinakabata sa grupo. Kalmado talaga. Wala number 22. Number 4 again, RM. Ang ganda na receive ni number 3. Number 22. Number 20. Number 4 again. Number 14, iniangat. Pero binalik lang kay number 4. Tumatalo sa kalmado. To number 20. Bigyan mo parang isa. Tyson outside. Score for the Waters. Service area number 4. Aaron with a power spot. Nice receive. Sherry for the second ball. Almando again with a fight. To number 20, number 0, Sherry, received by number 30, to number 4, Mimi over the ball, number 3 received to number 20, Almado, to Maruta, number 20, sent to number 0, binalik lang by 0, number 3, to number 0 again, outside, inside, score! On service area, number 21, doing the power spot. Number 30, nice aim to Maruta. Good ball. 1 point from Team Batangas. On service area, number 31, Mimi. Received by Kilo to Mimi. Number 14, fires but score. Nakakahabol ang ating Team Batangas. 7-11, over 24 hours. Ay, hindi ba lahat? Doon lang pala sa amin. Sino ba yun? Service area number 30. Number 30, Yupan. Receive by Maruta. Receive by Kilo. Mimi set to Kilo. Fires. Lumusot. Pero binalik lang. Kalmado again. Number 22. Mimi set in the ball. Number 4 over. Dalawang. The favorite moves. Bianca. Received by number 30, Mimi set. Number 14 over the ball, received by number 3. Number 0, 3 fires. Number 3. Number 1, from back row. Service. Nice receiver, number 20. To number 20. Receive again, number 0, grounding the set to number 3. Score, 9-12. Tatlo na lang ang alatman. On service area, number 20. Service area again, number 20. Nice receive. Number 28, Mini. Service area number 28, Mini. Nice service. Nice receive. Over the ball by number 0 to Jero. Service number 0, Sherry. With a 5, received by Espiritu. Received by number 4. Number 8, over the ball. Received by Sherry again. Taylor. Sherry again, parang dalawa lang sila. Maruta Bars. Binigay sa behind. To number 8, received by number 0. Walang team matangkas. Score 13-12 with Demo Team Waters. Number 0, Sherry by service area. Received by Calmado to number 21. Score 14-12. Service by number 14. Good ball. Receiver number 28. Tuwi sa Calmado over the ball. Binigay sa likod. Tumaruta, sinityan lang. Calmado, plano to set. Masyadong mababa. Receiver number 31 to number 3. Maruna with Brooks. Nice receive. Outside. Score 15-12. Service number 14, Arlene. Receiver number 0, number 3. Good ball. Outside. Number 22, number 0. Maruta with a one hand. Maruta again, binigay sa kabila. Calmado, sa Calmado, tahimik na naghihintay lang. Punch na lang, si by number 4. Si by number 3. Nagkakaling kulang. 13-16, with Pedro Team Waters. And service area number 8, Pedro. Receiver number 0. Dalawa. Outside. Thailand Team Batangas. Service plays by number 8, Nick Taylor. Red ball. Napapalit during service.
Kuhanin nyo na nila. Or sa phone.
Mababan ka sa sunod. Nice receive. Maganda ka receive ngayon. Come back go. Number 0. Receiver number 3. Number 22. Number 3 again. Service area number 3. Receiver number 3 to number 31. At nakikip pa rin by number 3. Number 0 with a number 20. Number 22, Lisa Palmado. Nice service. Service ace. Nagpapatunay na basta kulot, matikot. Number 22, Palmado ng Sergeant. While Naruta over the ball to number 28. Number 3 to number 31. Gino over the ball. Hindi na binalo. Nasisibay number 3. Binalita ni number 0. Outside. Set point. Last point. Last shot ng ating team.
Masarap na ito. Ano masarap na luto doon? Adobo, pwede dito adobo. Ay, hindi masarap. Sa buko lang.
Number 22, Palmado pero delikado.
Asin bechin lang ang lahok.
Binigyan ng ultimatum sa number 22. Congratulations, Team Rabo!